In my garage right now, I have furniture from people I don't know. They came from other houses.
As Hurricane Ian makes its way to the Carolinas, today was the first time many in Florida were able to see the damage the storm left behind in their neighborhoods. Our ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo checked back in with our former ABC 10 News anchor who shared new images of the destruction in Fort Myers. She is joining us now live in studio. Laura.
And Kimberly, the good news is that his home is still standing, but it does have serious damage to the entire first floor. Tonight, they are still without power, staying at a friend's in a city nearby.
Yeah, this isn't going to be open by Saturday.
This was the drive back into Stephen Clark's neighborhood Thursday afternoon in the south end of Fort Myers Beach.
I pulled off a great adventure this afternoon.
When he got to his home, he saw this. From the outside, some side panels blown away. And on the inside, on the first floor,
It's all gone. The water absolutely pushed right through the doors.
the second floor of the home is intact, but the water damage below ruined and shuffled everything around.
In my garage right now, I have furniture from people I don't know. They came from other houses. I have things in my garage missing that are probably in other people's yards or houses.
Clark was able to get back into the area despite it still being restricted to the public. The area full of debris, downed trees, and a lot of sand pushed in from the beach. He was able to drive in because he met a woman who needed to get to a specific address.
It's sand dunes. I mean, it's almost impassable. But I have a four-wheel drive Jeep, and she had an address that let me in.
Clark says neighbors have come together to help each other, and he can't wait until he's allowed back in for good to start to get his home back in order.
One way or the other, I'm going to get to my house and start cleaning up.
Now, for now, Clark doesn't know when he'll be allowed back into his neighborhood or when power will be restored. And until then, he is staying with friends who are also without power tonight. Live in studio, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.
And our thoughts are with him and all the others in Fort Myers.